Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Chloe. So today I'm going to be doing a ultimate self-care routine, like night routine I guess. And I thought today, it's New Year's Eve, but you'll be seeing this on the Monday, which has always been a new year. So happy New Year everybody. I hope your year is going amazing so far. I know we've been a couple of days into it. But yes, I made like a little list of what I'm going to do. Ignore my skin, it's kind of broken out at the moment, so you can appreciate that. I've just been doing some bullet journal, but I only done one page so far, so I'm going to do more of that like tomorrow or something. But now it's 6 o'clock, my videos went up for today, which is Thursday today guys, just to let you know. But I made like a little ultimate list what I want to do tonight, because I really want like a proper self-care, so I thought why not film it. So I've washed my bed, and my bed is in the wash right now. I need to go in the dryer. It's been in the dryer, but the first is going to have a shower and wash my hair, because I'm going to have a shower and then have a bath, because I hate washing my hair in the bath. It's just disgusting. I just don't like it. So we're going to go and have a shower and then wash this hair, and then we're going to go and have a bath after that. Run my bath now, and then I'm gonna go in the bath because I like to wash my hair and then have a bath. So we're gonna go and run my bath. Woohoo!
Hey Carmen, it's me. I've been thinking.
My bath is run. We're gonna grab the products I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna show you where I'm in the bath. We're gonna go and grab the products I'm gonna be using.
I missed you. Call me back.
So guys, my bath is all run, like I'm gonna show you in a minute guys. So this is what my bath is looking like, very bubbly and nice. This is extremely hot, so guys, I do apologise about that angle, so you can't put it because my radiators is like being mine. I do apologise about this. Scarf, which is this Super Glowy one. Love it. It's a Super Glowy peel off one. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna make a pig in a minute. So we're just gonna get a brush and just apply it. It's gonna go in my bath. I'm going to be using this Super Glowy Clean on me to wash my body, because that's the fun part. I'm so flexible. So I'm just going to kind of wash.
Is there something after there's nothing to say?
And then we're going to put this another shower gel, which is just Nivea Care and Shower Cream Rolls and Almond. Amazing. Dedication to this, so we're going to put this on. I'm going to put quite a lot of this on because I wash my body properly with the first one. So it's going to rub, scruffy.
We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape.
Which is the Super Glowy Flake Away. I can't actually open it. False nails. Guys, I would also do this longer, but I just want to film this part and then I would properly like wash my body again. Like I'm just showing you what I'm doing.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time, right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime, need some alone time, babe.
Just like wash my body. All the time I'm gonna do is bed and I'm like on camera, but I just wash my body and then exfoliate it, and I'm just gonna just do the back of my body in a minute. I'm now going to relax for like. I'm showering now. I just want to out of the bathroom, but I just want to peel this off on camera, and then I'm gonna go and do the rest. So I'm gonna peel this face mask off because it's ready to come off. Is even though putting off face mask is so satisfying. Got dressed into my pajamas. I did wash the face mask off the rest of it off. I was going to do a foot mask, but then I can't find my foot mask I was going to do. But now we just go in to do some eye patches, because these bags won't go away themselves, so we're going to do these. We just find my little tripod mask, which is the Super and Glory Eye and Attack. My skin's not getting any better, but it's all good. My skin's like breaking out at the moment, so my book. And it's just the Super and Glory Puffy Eye and Attack. I just leave this on for about 20-30 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh god, I hate these things. So you like slide off your face. Like, I'm gonna go downstairs and have a cup of tea in a minute. Then we're gonna just put these on, like, you know. So I'm gonna just pop these right under my eyes. I'm going to ignore my nails because they're just like gone pear-shaped at the moment. Time is now 7:14. We are going just go downstairs in a minute, make a cup of tea. So guys, we're going to keep this on for 30 minutes, just set a timer on my phone, and then we're going to go downstairs and make a cup of tea. I'm not going to film myself drinking this, but I'm going to go in and do some editing in it. And then things off now because they've been on there. I just drunk my tea and I've just been watching TV with my parents, but now I'm just going to take these things off because now my bed's been in the wash, so I'm just going to do my skincare and then we're going to do that. So my skin's been breaking out recently and I don't know why. Like, can't really tell much on camera. I don't know if you can tell, but all that is just no. So let me know if you know any good like products or something. So I'm going to use my simple moisturiser to moisturise the skin again because yeah, and then I'm just going to gently massage it into my skin. In 2021 I'm going to try and focus more on skincare. So I don't know how much skincare, like I'm not going to do loads of self-care routines on YouTube all the time. I'll probably just do days in my life or something. Let me know if you like these kind of self-care videos, because let me know if you want me, not me to do another one, just let me know if you want, like, if you want any videos, if you want to see any videos on my channel, then please let me know down below, because I would literally love that. It would really help my channel and would just help me guys to see what you guys enjoy watching. So now we're going to just roll this for my face, mascara, like basically this is like a massager thing I think, which is good for your skin, but I'm not sure what it actually does. But I'm just going to roll my face. I've had a love. I've never used this before. The time is literally nearly 8 o'clock. I haven't even put on my Instagram yet, which I'm about to do in a minute after I've done this. So I'm just going to use this 305 thing. I never used it before. It's just shine control. Apparently really good. So you just like spray it into your hair. My hair's still kind of damp from the shower. My hair takes forever to dry, so yeah. And now we're nearly done. We're just going to apply some lip balm, which is my Nivea Cherry Shine. Absolutely love this lip balm. Now we're just going to make my bed because, yeah, we need to.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go?
Jams are wearing, by the way. They're like Winnie the Pooh ones from Primark. I absolutely love these, they're so cute. But yeah, this video's done because I've got nothing else to do for like self-care. Let me know guys what videos you want to see on my channel, or like what type of videos you enjoy watching, and let me know what you do on your self-care, like days or nights. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, that's amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.